Today I'm teaching you how to activate Zelle and Chase, whether it's you paying someone or a friend, or even just splitting a payment. Zelle is super useful, especially when it comes to those types of purchases, or even if you're just sending money to a different account. It's super simple and super straightforward. As you can see, I'm on my Chase for business, but this works for checking accounts as well. Keep in mind, if you have a Chase savings account, you cannot use Zelle. For some reason, that is just not allowed, but you can always just move it from your savings, your checkings, or savings into your banking. So on this page, where you want to go is you want to find your way all the way over to pay and transfer. And basically, if you click that, it'll lead you onto this page. So you have four options: ACH payment services, bill pay, Zelle, and wire and global transfers. Obviously, we're using Zelle here. So on my business account, this is enabled already. But essentially, you're just going to see a little pop-up that's going to ask you to confirm that you want to use Zelle, and it's going to ask you to do a little check mark and accept. Since I already have it and I've already used it on a day-to-day basis, I already have it enabled. But if yours looks anything like mine, you probably do too. But if you don't, simply just accept it, get that sorted. And also, I recommend downloading the Zelle app, as it makes things really easy, or even the Chase phone app. You can just do it through Chase itself. Super simple. And if you want to send someone money, you just click send money, put in the price you want to put, and the recipient's phone number, email, or any other way to basically identify who you're sending it to. Super simple, super straightforward, and that's how you do it. Subscribe if this helped.